Chair recognizes Kate Marshall.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Committee. My name is Kate Marshall. I'm the Hampshire State Coordinator for Second Sisters. I want to thank you for your time and attention to a very important bill. Second Amendment Sisters is a women's organization that believes self-defense is a basic human right. Time and again, we turn on the news and hear of incidents where women have been victimized by criminals. It's become common to hear rapes, robberies, murders, to the point where people become desensitized to these crimes. No woman faced with being raped should ever have to try and retreat from a criminal rather than choose to defend her own life. A 1993 study of Ullman and Knight found that women who fought back physically were more likely to avoid rape than those who didn't. Why shouldn't a woman fight back? The existing law tells a woman that she has a duty to retreat from a life-threatening force, what is it really telling her? That she has a duty to increase the risk to herself in order to reduce the risk for him. His rapist's life is more valuable than hers. In this bill, it simply says that we have a right to choose our own lives and those of our families over the criminal, and that we have the right to choose not to be raped, robbed, or murdered. Every day, women in our society make life and death decisions. We have doctors, nurses, paramedics, and every day we perform dangerous acts like driving 14-ton buses filled with 30 small children, or in our own 3-ton vehicles at 65 miles an hour down the highway within mere feet of other vehicles. Yet we are told we cannot be trusted to use self-defense to save our own lives. Recommending this bill for passage is telling the women of New Hampshire that you value their lives and the right to choose life over death and to choose their dignity and sanity over rape or murder. I want to thank you for your time and hope to recommend this bill to the House as a unanimous ought to pass.
Ms. Marshall, can you tell me of any time that a woman was attacked, or a man that was attacked, and the state prosecuted them?
I'm not exactly aware of any specific cases, but I do know women who have been cornered and who have successfully managed to defend themselves, and other women who weren't so successful.
I agree with you there, because I hear a lot of, I'm saying retreat, but I certainly wouldn't, if I was attacked, I would not retreat. And I wouldn't care if they prosecuted me. Mm-hmm. But I have heard numerous times of this particular saying that we need this law so the state does not prosecute people. And I just want to know if anyone has any evidence that says that someone has been prosecuted.
I personally don't know of any, but I do know a lot of women who feel more comfortable going to the police after defending themselves in a sort of situation, because most of the women that I know who have been victims of violent crimes have never gone to the police about it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions for the witness? Seeing none, thank you.
Thank you very much.